Buy any crypto with a debit or credit card on Uphold. How to link your credit debit card into your Uphold account. I'm going to break this down very simple and very easy for you. My name is Adam Shelton. If you don't have an Uphold account, click on the link below to get started with that today. Watch this video here. This is going to help you out very much today.
The fastest way to buy Bitcoin or other cryptos is with a debit or credit card. Here's how easy it is. Tap Transact. Choose From. You've got a choice of 3 options: bank account, crypto wallet, or cards. Pick Card. Enter your card number. Expiry date, and 3-digit security code. Tap Add. Your card is linked and ready to rock. Just enter the amount of crypto you want to buy in your local currency. Choose the crypto you want. Say Bitcoin. You can see how much BTC you're going to get for your $50. Tap Confirm and you're done. Simple as that. No commissions or deposit or withdrawal fee.
And that's simple and very easy how to link your credit card, debit card to your Uphold account. You can use this feature from your mobile device. So if you have an Android phone, go to the Play Store, or if you have an Apple phone, go to the App Store, if you have an iPhone. Now from the desktop version or even from your mobile version, I'm going to show you where you can find of how to add in your credit or debit card. Now, if you log in, when you click on the link below and you sign up for your free account where you can start investing into Uphold, you'll come right to it says anything to anything. And then you come down, you can click on credit or debit cards right there, and I can add another card. I originally have one already set there that I've added in previously, but if I want to add another card on here, I'll click on the plus sign and fill out this information. Remember, Uphold only accepts Visa or MasterCard. Visa and MasterCard. So it has to be with one of those 2 providers. It's very simple. You fill out this information here. Make sure you have your currency, your credit and debit card currency selected properly. And then your card should be supported by the Verified by Visa or MasterCard Secure Code Protection Program. And then after you add that information, you click on Add Card and you're ready to go. Now, I already have my card already selected already. Now, the next thing I would need to go ahead and do is go ahead and invest into an asset. So if I want Bitcoin, I click on Bitcoin right there. And if I want $50, so I'm going to take $50 from my debit card and I'm going to go ahead and buy this worth of Bitcoin of the $50. Very simple and very easy to do. I'll preview the deposit. Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. I preview the deposit. And then from here, it breaks it down a little bit simple. $50 from my debit card. This is how much the Bitcoin that I'm actually getting from the $50. The settlement is immediately. And then here's the market rate information as well. 1 BTC is worth $32,614 as in the recording of this video. And then I've confirmed deposit. I'm good to go. So that's how you do it. This is how you buy any crypto with a debit or credit card on Uphold, how to link it together. It's really simple and really easy to do. And then also, you can buy this any other asset. So I don't necessarily have to get crypto. I can get some other ones as well. Here's some other assets I can get. I can get some stable coin. There's some precious metals here. There's also some other cryptocurrencies I can get as well. So I can actually get more than just actually cryptocurrency using this method here. So click on the link below to get started with Uphold with an account. So you need to have an account first and then start investing to cryptocurrency or even more things as well. Very simple and very easy to do. So watch this video again if you need to know how to set this up properly. And then I'll see you on the next Uphold video. Don't forget to click on the link below to get started with Uphold in his accounts or start your account. And I'll see you on the next video.